time here at Unique, especially in classics. 2001 Honda S2000. Nice looking convertible, silver stone metallic, black interior, 2-liter, dual overhead cam, VTEC engine that is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, close ratio shifter. Take a close look up here at the fascia of this particular car. Clean Carfax. A little over 39,000 miles on it. Now, if you want to check out the still picture so you can see this car from top to bottom, inside to out, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels. Kumo radial tires. Should go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. Haven't really noticed much of anything major for door dings, paint chips. Black leather interior, nice shape. It does have a black power convertible top. Functions as it should. Right now I have the convertible top boot in. Of course, you take a look at the dash, everything pretty much stock as it would have came back in 2001 from Honda. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, call in or email. I believe that 2-liter had about 240 horse in these. Pretty good horsepower to weight ratio. Definitely fun, nice handling convertibles. And again, still pictures. Check out the underside, the trunk, the interior. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. In the pictures, take a look. I took a picture of all the little VIN stickers that go on the portion of the car, from the passenger to driver door to the hood, front fascia, rear trunk lid. Basically that matches the VIN of the car. So I do have all of those pictures. And again, clean Carfax. Confirms miles. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Push button start in these, by the way. Turn the key to the on position. Push button start right there. And then you also have audio and radio controls, as well as the fan and HVAC controls in the passenger side of the steering wheel. AC will freeze you out of this one. It is cold. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise, of course. Something else I want to show you in case you go looking for it for future reference. This is for the gas door. Right here, pulls out, releases the gas door. There is a trunk release in this compartment right here, and there's also a key fob that will go along with this car. All right, let's take a little closer look at these seats. S2000 floor mats are in place. Seats, as you can see, pretty much what you'd expect for the miles on it. A little bit of wear in the bolster, not ripped through, anything like that. Just kind of your crinkles and wrinkles that you'll get from leather as it naturally wears, just kind of like a leather coat or a leather pair of shoes. All right. Start this up, show you the exact miles. Key on, and then like I said, push button start over here. 39,452. I just have the parking brake on, and of course the seatbelt light. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Stereo is located right here. AM, FM, CD player. Sure, we're in neutral. Dash looks good. Let's take a look at this passenger seat, which you can see here. Flip around to the back, so you hear it run. I've not really noticed any modifications on this car. Looks stock from what I have seen. Also sounds like it. Previous owners of this car, mature driven, all taken care of, was kind of their summer fun car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay. I don't want to run that convertible top up, so you can take a peek at that too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, let's check out the top first. Not noticing any holes, rips, tears. I consider it a vinyl, I guess. It's not really a cloth, more vinyl. Looks like cloth. Good shape, going to serve its purpose. Keep you dry or keep you out of the sun. Whichever one you decide you're going to need it for. Again, with the AC blowing cold, this thing will freeze you out with that top up. So there you go. Top's in good shape and works as it should. Power top, up and down, no rips, tears, holes. And here we go. 2-liter dual overhead cam, VTEC engine, smooth runner. Obviously reliable power plants. No surprises underneath here. Tell it hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather either. How clean that hood liner is. Don't expect this one to last too long, the following that these have. If it's one you're interested in, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or call them or email.